Welcome to today's Algebra 1 practice. Is the relationship linear, exponential, or neither? The rule is this. If it is a linear relationship, we will find such thing called constant difference. If the relationship is exponential, we will find a constant ratio. Let me explain by using the first one. First one, let's look at our x values. From 9 to 14, we add 5. 14 to 19, add 5. 19 to 24, add 5. There is a consistent difference for all the x values. Let's look at y values. If y value gives us consistent difference that matches the x value's consistent difference, then we'll say this is linear. If it is ratio, then we'll say that is exponential relationship. If it is neither the consistent difference nor the consistent ratio, then we will say it's neither. All right, let's look at this. From 13 to 16, we add 3. 16 to 19, we add 3. 19 to 22, we add 3. You see, this is a consistent difference because 16 minus 13 and 19 minus 16 and 22 minus 19, it gives us a 3. Okay, so we found a consistent difference of the y values that matches the consistent difference of x value. Therefore, the first one relationship is linear. Let's look at next one. Next one is our familiar 5 little points, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And we say the consistent difference for this value is add 1. Each step we add 1. All right, let's look at our y values. From 25 to 5, what happened? Good. You can say I divided by 5, or you can say I multiply 1 over 5, 1/5. Okay, I divided by 5 here, or I can say multiply 1/5. And this is also the same case, divided by 5 or multiply 1/5, and the same here. Therefore, you consistently find there is a ratio. You see, 1 over 5, that is in the form of ratio. Therefore, we say from this step to the next step, this step to the next step, we always times 1/5. Now, we found our consistent ratio that matches the consistent difference of the x value. Therefore, we say this relationship is exponential. That's it. I hope you enjoyed today's learning.